Good morning, all of you. Earlier class we discussed regarding about STDs, and today's class we are going to discuss about infertility. So next topic, infertility. So what is meant by infertility? What are the causes of infertility? And what are the types of infertility? And what are the steps should prevent the infertility? And what is the different types of treatment techniques for infertility? We will discuss in this topic. So what is meant by infertility? The people are unable to produce children in spite of unprotected sexual cohabitation. Infertility. Fertility means the fertilization takes place, pregnancy is confirmed. Infertility. Infertility, there is no fertilization, there is no confirmation of pregnancy. People are unable to produce children in spite of unprotected sexual cohabitation. The people are unable to produce the children. That condition is called infertility. People are unable to produce children in spite of when? In spite of unprotected sexual cohabitation. When the people are, earlier we discussed, when the people are following different types of contraceptive methods, there is no fertilization, there is no pregnancy. But here, the people are not following any type of contraceptive methods. Unprotected sexual cohabitation means there is no contraceptive methods. They are not following contraceptive methods. But also there is no confirmation of fertilization. There is no confirmation of pregnancy. So people are unable to produce children in spite of unprotected sexual cohabitation. It is called infertility. So a large number of couples all over the world, including India, are infertile. There are so many large number of couples are there all over the world, including in our country, India, are infertile. There are so many infertile peoples are there. The people are unable to produce children. So what are the reasons for infertile? What are the reasons for infertility? The reasons are many, like physical, congenital, diseases, drugs, immunological, and psychological. The reasons are many, like physical, congenital, diseases, and drugs, immunological, and psychological. So there is physical, the people are suffering with some of the physical problems, and congenital, by birth they are suffering from different types of the diseases, and diseases also, like STIs and all, and drugs, those females are taking drugs or males are taking drugs because of there is no production of gametes sufficiently. Immunological, there is immunological reason also, because resistance power is very less, and the psychological problems also, the people are suffering with some of the psychotic diseases. So like that, there is different types of, many reasons are there for infertility. So infertility is majorly two different types. There is two different types of infertility, that is primary infertility and secondary infertility. Primary infertility. Primary infertility means the people never conceived. There is no conception. There is no confirmation of pregnancy. That is called as primary infertility. That type of the peoples are called primary infertilizers. And next one, secondary infertility. Secondary infertility means not conceived after first pregnancy. After first pregnancy, the people are not conceived. First pregnancy normal, but after first pregnancy they are trying for second and next, but there is no conception, there is no conceiving. That type of the infertility is called secondary infertility. Primary infertility means the people never conceived. That is called as primary infertility. So what is meant by secondary infertility? Not conceived after first pregnancy. That is called as secondary infertility. There is two types of infertilities. Next one. In India, often the female is blamed for the couple being childless, but more often than not, the problem lies in the male partner also. Generally, what happens in our country, whenever infertility, the people are suffering with, the couples are suffering with infertility, who are blamed? Males or females? Generally, often, females only blamed for the couple being childless, but more often than not, the problem lies in male partner because of male partner having different types of so many different types of the problems. The infertility occurs, but unnecessarily, unfortunately, who are blaming? The females are blaming. And next one, specialized healthcare units, infertility clinics help in diagnosis and corrective treatment for unable to have children. The people are treated with, there is different types of medicines and all. Those infertility people, there is specialized healthcare units, that is called as infertility clinics, help in diagnosis. So what is the reason for infertility and corrective treatment, and they provide corrective treatment for unable to have children. Some of the people suffering with infertility, after the treatment by infertility clinics, and again they will get normal conception. There is normal conceive. So specialized healthcare units, infertility clinics help in diagnosis and corrective treatment for unable to have children. Right? Next one. However, such corrections are not possible. The such corrections are not possible. The couples could be assisted to have children through certain special techniques. However, such corrections are not possible. The couples could be assisted to have children through certain special techniques. For some of the people, they should treated with by infertility clinics to enable to have children. They will have children after the treatment. But whenever after the usage of medicine and also they should not get the children, and they could be assisted to have children through certain special techniques. Those techniques are called assisted reproductive technologies, ART. One more abbreviation, ART, assisted reproductive technologies. Assisted reproductive technologies means, ART means, after treating of by infertility clinics for infertile persons, the couples could be assisted to have children through certain special techniques. The couples are assisted only, not forcible. Assisted means why? What is the reason assisted given here? The people are undergoes this type of technologies, assisted reproductive technologies. 100% guarantee should not there. There is a chance for infertile couples convert into fertile. There is a chance for children, but not 100% damn sure. They will not provide any type of assurance. So they should assisted to have children through certain special techniques. That is called as assisted reproductive technologies. ART, ART, assisted reproductive technologies. So they are not providing 100% guarantee, but most of the success rates are there, and as well as unsuccessful couples also should be there. It may be depending upon various parameters on their body nature and various parameters, right? So however, such corrections are not possible. The couples could be assisted to have children through certain special techniques. Is called assisted reproductive technologies, ART. Right? After this clear, once again I am revising. Infertility. So what is meant by infertility? People are unable to produce children in spite of unprotected sexual cohabitation. In simple words, the people are unable to produce children. That is called infertility. In what case? In spite of unprotected sexual cohabitation. They are not following any type of contraceptive methods.